It's Friday Souls. It's Friday Souls. What you gonna make? If you want to know what I've been making today in my sewing room or this week, stay tuned. Hello, everybody. Thanks for coming back. This week I just wanted to do a recap of what I made. I did get a chance to make Know Me 2052. That'll be coming out on my Sustainable Sunday video. It was supposed to be Sustainable Sunday is always the third Sunday of the month. However, I didn't put out a video, so this Sunday it will come out and I will show you the pants up close. But it's my Sustainable Sunday make because I made these jeans out of reused jeans and denim that I already had around the house, and I like the way they turned out. The zipper was not even brand new. I think the zipper was a zipper that I purchased when I purchased a group of zippers from a yard sale, so I didn't have to run out and get anything for these jeans. Excuse me. The only thing that about the jeans is I have not finished the closure. It has like a button closure, it has a button closure, and I have not taken the time to do that. But that's the only thing I have left to do, and I will do that sometime this week while I'm looking at that and it's looking back at me. I also did for Black History. This was my bag. This was also made out of remnants of leather and upholstery fabric that I had. That was for my Black History video. So if you hadn't had the opportunity to see that, check that video out where I go more into depth about my bag that I made. As well as I lost my mind with the Simplicity sale, and I have so many patterns that I picked up. Not sure if I already did a video, so if I have, I apologize, but I don't think I did a video on this group. Plus, I have a Mimi G haul that should be coming out if it hasn't already. All right, guys, so let's just get to the but before that, I'm going to show you some fabric that I purchased because I thought this was really, really pretty. And I had one more item, dress, that I wanted to show you guys before the month was out. So I purchased this right here. So stay tuned. Hopefully that's what I'll be working on this week because I had one more make I wanted to show you guys before the month was out. So hopefully I'll get that finished this week and you'll see that on next week. Some of the Simplicity I got, a couple of them were replacements. Like this one right here is the replacement. This is Simplicity 9505. It is just a hat pattern. It is rated as easy. I found this pattern 9372. It has several pieces on here. I'm not sure if it's rated as easy, but because it doesn't say. But I just got it for, it has like 4 different kind of shawls that you can make. I thought it was super cute. I thought this was nice and simple and would be flattering to my shape. This is 9-2. I look good when stuff is cinched in and kind of flatters, flows out. So this is Simplicity 9263. It's plain, but I think that with the right fabric, that would be nice. So it is a dress, a shirt, and then a jacket. We did we as in Osset of Osset Stitch Treasures, Grace from So Lovely of Grace, and Laura from Sewing Up Style. We do a series this year that's called Discovering Denim, and for the first episode we did a bustier, but we could have done a bustier or a corset, and I did not have any corset patterns, so I picked up Simplicity 8626. And it does not have a rating on it. But I thought that would be great to have, because I don't know why I'm stuck on that, the corset over the corset or the bustier over the white shirt. I think that's just a nice look, so I'm trying to do that. I purchased this bag pattern 9304, and I mainly purchased it because I want to do this. I like this little color block at the bottom, and I figured I could use some of my scraps of leather for those sections. It does it right here. Cute bags. This is an easy to sew pattern. This is 8517. And Laura from Sewing No Style, she actually did a poncho or cape out of a fleece. And I was like, that is such a great idea. But I thought this pattern right here really could embrace that fleece. So I picked this up as well. Another easy to sew pattern that I picked up, and I just thought this was an adorable skirt. And I can see this, it says it's easy to sew, and I feel hopefully it's really simple and quick to sew. And I could see making this and just finding a shirt to make with it as well. You could even make a tank top, but of course I would make a actual tank and not that short one right there. And it is considered to be very easy. This was, I don't know if I told you the number, 9788. Next, we have Simplicity 9892. And I'm going to make this view right here on the bottom, view B. I want to do the color blocking. That's why I purchased this. It is rated as average. But I may try this next because I'm going to keep making pants until I get the hang of making pants. Or until I get sick and tired of them. And last, I think I have this one already, but I was not sure, so I picked it up. And this is 9730. And at first, I was not really feeling this when it first came out. Then the more I thought about it, the more I said I needed this in my collection. And it is rated as easy. I feel like you could even do this if you had like an oversized men's dress shirt. Like cut it off. You could do that as an upcycle and just use the bottom. I think that would be nice. Hi guys, I found 3 more patterns. I went to JoAnn's to see if they had the new Butterick and Vogue in, and my JoAnn's did not. And I went on a Thursday, not sure if it's gonna still be there, if they're gonna have them out by Saturday. If I'm in that area, I'll see. If not, I'm not finna waste some more gas with JoAnn's because they tripping. So, but I did find some older patterns that I did want. So this is Vogue 1550. Y'all know I love this flowy stuff. Last time, there's another Vogue pattern that I love. I can't think of the number, but I'll put it up here. Love it so much. The lady at the store told me congratulations. I got upset, but then I had to think about, well, at least I look young enough so she thought I was having a baby. So I had to get past that because I like my set. I love this set with this other pattern that I'm showing you. And this right here gives me that vibe, just more of a little dressier. So I'm going to make this too, and I might be mistaken for bringing another life into the world. Who knows? But I'm going to wear my suit. I would love to make this in a linen. I think this is really, really cute. 1550. It is rated as average. And then if I'm not mistaken, I got this because I believe this is the pattern that Anne-Marie from Anne-Marie's workshop is always raving about. And she's made it like a couple of times. And I also think the lady from Handmade Harold's have made this as well. So I picked this up because I think this is the same one. If not, I can still do what they've done with theirs with this pattern. So this is a very, very easy Vogue. This is 9311. All the sizes are in this one pattern. It is a dress, but it is like 2 dresses. But this dress, I want to say both of them made it into a duster, and it was just so pretty. So I purchased this to add to my collection, and it's considered to be very easy. So we will see. And I also have been one of the things that looks really nice on me is because I'm not very well endowed up here, so I can wear a cowl neck, and it gives the illusion like more is up there than what it is. A cowl neck, not cowl, but cowl neck. So this is rated as easy as well, and I had yet to find a cowl neck pattern, and I've always wanted to make those shirts because, like I said, they're just flattering on me. So I purchased this one, and it actually has 3 different views, and I'm sure I'll make all 3 because I wanted a pattern to see. I wanted to see how you actually make that. So those are all of the patterns that I got from the Vogue and Butterick sale. So that is all that I have for you guys today. This is a quick video, but I just wanted to come on and say hello. I hope that you have had a fantabulous week. As always, remember that you are so special to me. Thanks so much for taking time out of your day to spend with me to watch my videos. I really appreciate that. If you made this far, please give this video a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. As always, I will see you guys next week on a video. Bye-bye.